What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're actually going to be working on the Celica. So as you guys can see, when the previous owner painted the car, the shop that painted it or whoever painted it just painted over everything, and so we got a lot of parts that are supposed to be silver or chromed out, and it is red. So if you look at the engine bay as well, let me move this real quick. A lot of parts are, oh no, ooh, let me move this. All right, a lot of parts in here are just kind of painted over as well, so you can see all this is just red. All of this is painted over right here, and all of that is painted over. So thinking of taking these off and maybe painting them black just so it'll look a little cleaner, a little better. This as well, I know it's not that big of a deal, but I mean, I don't like that it's red and it just looks like they were carelessly painting over it. The paint in the engine bay is actually not that great either, so maybe we could take out the engine in the future and maybe paint the whole engine bay again. I kind of want to just repaint this whole car, but we'll wait till I get a little better at painting so that this paint job will actually look decent. But yeah, it's pretty good so far. But yeah, so what we're gonna do is make these silver. But what I actually have are these. So we got some spare ones, and you can see the chrome plating is already coming off. You can see the plastic underneath. This isn't metal, it's plastic. But I'm gonna try to sand these down and then show you guys how we could chrome plate these for maybe less than $8. So you know, I was looking at chrome sprays, at chrome plating spray cans, and those are very expensive. It's about maybe like $80 to $100 per can, and it's only maybe a 12 ounce. And so I was watching the process of how they do it on YouTube, and I was thinking that I could probably replicate that with a different can that's gonna be a lot cheaper. So I'll show you guys. I haven't done it yet, so we're gonna test it out today, and then we'll see together if it actually works. So I'm gonna just go ahead and sand this down first, and then we'll go ahead and start from there. Alright guys, so I was sitting here spending like 3 hours trying to sand it down and pick it all off with like a screwdriver. I used this, I used the drill with the wheel brush, I used a razor blade, and you can see the effect here. Got like little pieces of chrome everywhere. And then I was like, there's got to be a faster way, right? So I was researching on Google, and then some YouTube videos popped up, and all they did was use super clean. It's just a strong degreaser, and it removes the chrome right off of the plastic without damaging it. And it kind of sucks because I kind of damaged a little bit of the plastic, but it's okay. But another dumb thing is I'm using this this foil plate right here, and it's kind of eating away at it too. It's oxidizing it, as you can see. But let's go ahead and take it out, and you can see there, still not really done yet. I should have put it in a plastic container, but oh wow, the liquid's very hot though, so I think it's reacting to the plate more than this. But if not, I'm gonna have to take it out and transfer it to like a plastic tub, or just leave it like this all night and see what happens. But yep, this is it so far. It's kind of working, not really, but I'm gonna try and see what I could do. And it is getting really hot, so I'm gonna try to scrub it off now and see if it kind of scrubs off, and I'll get back to you guys. All right guys, it's actually a new day, and they've been sitting in here. Oh wow. So, oh man, look at how it looked like. It's all dried up, and the chrome is still not off. So, look at this, weird. It didn't mess up the plastic though, but the chrome is still on there. So you know what? We might just sand it down as best as we can and paint it. And it might be because it's been out in the heat for so long, all day, and it just dried up. But yeah, at least we know that it doesn't mess up the plastic. So yeah, just gonna clean these up give them a good wash, and then maybe just spray it over like this and just see how it looks like. Doesn't seem like it's taking off the rest of the chrome, but I don't know. Let me try it out. Oh, it does peel off a little easier. Okay guys, so we're gonna start all over, and I actually got a plastic tote this time, so we're gonna see if it takes off the rest of the chroming. And you can see this side kind of oxidated a little bit, but it's not really taking it off. It kind of actually cleaned it more. You can see it's really shiny now, but hopefully this will take off the rest of the chrome. And this one, it's kind of cleaning up a little. You can see it's starting to oxidize. It's all black right there, but yeah, let's see if it takes it off now. I'm gonna leave this in here for maybe another day, and if you can see here, it looked like it leaked out because it was eating that foil plate. So we're gonna leave this in here now, and maybe a few minutes I'll come back and check on it. If not, then we're gonna have to wait till tomorrow to see what this does, and I might leave it overnight because it's very hard to take this chroming off, and I really want to just clean up real nice before I try chroming it again. So yep, I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, it's been about 2 days now that this has been in there, and you can see it's kind of working, not really too. And most of this stuff in here is just not coming off. It's not really sanding either. I think the chrome on this is just too old, and you can see it's barely doing anything for it now. Oops. So what I'm gonna do is just kind of sand it as much as I can, and then we're gonna go ahead and just try to paint it. So maybe use that wire brush again and just try to take as much as I can off, and then we'll go ahead and just sand it down, and then go ahead and try to re-chrome it. Alright guys, so this is it right here. It's like the best I could do. So nothing really took it off. I used some like oven cleaner too, which they said online would work, but it kind of made it a little better to take off. But yeah, this stuff is on there pretty good, and I'm just gonna go ahead and paint it. So what we're gonna do first is just primer it, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so the primer is on, and there are some imperfections, of course. It doesn't look that great. There are some scratches that I got from using the wire brush, but we'll see how it turns out. This is the primer first. Then what we're going to do after is use some black gloss, and then after that we'll finally use the chrome spray and then see if it works. Okay, now that we painted it black, I'm going to use this cheap Rustoleum metallic finish and see if it comes out chrome. I thought this was gloss black, but it's actually kind of flat, so we'll go ahead and see if that still works anyways. But yeah, we're gonna try this and see if it actually comes out kind of metallic. I know when I spray this, it doesn't really come out. It comes out kind of flat silver, but we're gonna go ahead and try it, and then I'll show you guys the results afterwards. Alright guys, so I put 2 coats onto this part right here, and it didn't come out that great, but it came out okay. It's not as reflective as chrome will be, but I think it will look decent once it's on the car. And you guys can see here, so you can see there is a lot of imperfections because of the old prepping wasn't that great. This is all of the old chroming stuff, but overall I think it looks okay. It's pretty shiny, but it's more of like a matte chromey look, and this might still look really good on a car, but it's not even as shiny as the lid there. But overall, pretty satisfied with it. Compared to a can of real chroming will be maybe like $80, and this can only cost me like $4. So overall, everything only cost maybe $15. And yeah, I mean, it's pretty good. I just wish I was able to prep the part better because the chroming was very hard to take off. I saw like there's like a chrome removal thing on Amazon, so I might order that to remove the chrome better, and I'll probably resand all of this. But I just wanted to try this out to see if it would work, and it doesn't seem like it's that great, so I actually might just put this on the car to see how it looks like, and then after that we'll go ahead and prep these parts better for next time, and we'll actually chrome it correctly. I'm gonna have to order that chrome removal to see if it actually works, but so far nothing has worked. I've used a degreaser solution such as the Super Clean, and that didn't work. I've used an oven cleaner which has the sodium hydroxide, the lye in there, which a lot of people say that that works really well, but it didn't work that great either. And I just think that maybe this chroming is just way too old and it's very stuck onto the plastic. So the more I sanded, the more I actually damaged the product as well. So it was kind of hard to just do everything and prep it right. But I'm not really sure what I could do. So let me know what you guys think I should do. But overall, this looks kind of decent. I know the ones on Jeffrey's car already, they're just painted, and one has a hole here because that's just how they drilled it into the car. So it doesn't look that great either. So we might actually run one of these and then kind of do the other one, but I think those will be easier to prep because they're just paint. But maybe I could just sand these down more and just kind of prep it with like Bondo or body filler and kind of get that done. But yep, this is the product here, and overall still waiting for it to dry, but it's semi-reflective as you can see, but it is more of a dull finish or a matte finish. And yeah, we'll see how it looks like when it dries, and then we'll put on the car too to see how it looks like, and I'll see you guys in a bit. All right guys, so I kind of touched it and I left fingerprints on, so I did another coat and gonna have to let it dry overnight, and then hopefully tomorrow it should be okay. So I'm gonna end a vlog like this tonight, and I'll show you guys the cells on the car in the next vlog. But yeah, this is pretty much it. This is how you kind of chrome a piece, but I mean, I'm sure there's better ways out there. I'm gonna try to get some gloss black because I feel like that will actually make the paint shine a little better. So next time I do it, I'm gonna get some gloss black, and then we could try that out instead, because I think if I do that, it'll actually come out kind of like the can cover. So yeah, it came out okay, but not the best, and maybe I should just go and get some real chroming spray. It comes out really nice and actually really levels itself out. But that's gonna be it for tonight, guys, and I'll show you guys the piece on the car in the next one. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later, peace.